Have you dreamed about building wealth through real estate and you're not sure how to get started? Well, this video is for you. I want to talk to you about how to spot a profitable flip before you buy it. Flipping homes isn't just about luck, it's about knowing how to spot the right deal. And there's a few things that we consider when we sit down with our investment clients to talk to them about how to spot the right deal. First and foremost, you need to start with the numbers. You need to know what is the purchase price that we're trying to get, what is the reno budget, and what are the profit margins that we're dealing with here? Because if you're going to all this work and you're only making $5,000, is it worth your time? We want to ensure that we understand the profit margins more than anything because this is the goal. And maybe it's not huge on your first flip, but we still need to know what profit margins we're working with. The next thing is know the neighborhood. Who's buying and what are they paying for? If you're purchasing a family-friendly home in a neighborhood that is very much not family-friendly, you could be in a position where you're going to lose your shirt. So we want to ensure that you understand what the market's doing around the flip, but also knowing the type of buyers that are going to be purchasing it. Next, we're going to inspect the bones. We want to look for things that we cannot change. The location, obviously, you can't change. Well, I suppose you could probably move the house if you wanted to, but normally you don't change the location. You can't typically change the layout of the home. And then also structural issues can be really, really costly if you don't see them before you purchase. And then you find out that the house is tilted and the foundation's shot. You have lost a lot of money, and we want to prevent that from happening. The next thing is looking for exit flexibility. What does that mean? If you're in a position where something shifts while you're in ownership of the flip, are you able to sell it quickly without losing lots of money? Or are you able to rent it out depending on the market conditions for rental in that area? So having that exit flexibility is something we always look at with our clients to make sure that they're making a great decision. In the end, it's up to them, but we're here to help and we want to ensure that we can maximize your return on investment so that you can get wealthy through real estate. We often will help people find off-market deals. We run into sellers occasionally where they don't want to hit the market. It's always best to hit the market and go to open market, but in some unique circumstances, these sellers do not want to do that. So when we run into these deals, we have a list of investors that we reach out to, and if you would like to be on that list, we would love to help. So please reach out to us to get any of your questions answered, and we would love to connect with you.